Hey everyone, so I know that some people are having a little bit of trouble with these questions, so I'm going to just have a quick video so you can view it, and then hopefully it'll help you with today's assignment. So we're evaluating functions, so it says x is equal to -3, and then we want to evaluate y equals x squared plus 8. So what I want you guys to remember is this is basically wherever we see an x, we're just plugging in what x is. So if we have y equals x squared plus 8, instead of writing, let me just move this, instead of writing the x, we're going to write whatever x is, which is -3. So this becomes parentheses -3, and then everything else stays the same. When we solved it, it looked a little different. For example, we would see something like f of x equals x squared plus 8, and we would find f of -3. It's the same exact thing, except it's just not written that way. So we do the parentheses, the exponents first. -3 squared becomes 9. Bring everything else down. And then you just add the 9 plus 8 gives you 17. So that's the answer to that one. Let's try another one. So we're going to do the same thing. Now this is a square root example. So x is equal to 64, and we want to find y, which is equal to the square root of x minus 7. So wherever we see an x, we're just going to put a 64. Make sure you keep that square root, though, and bring it down anything that you didn't use. Now, you simplify the square root. The square root of 64 is 8. And you guys, it gives you a calculator on Delta Math if you don't have one. In the top right-hand corner, it's a little calculator that you can use. And then you just do 8 minus 7, which is 1. Okay, we're going to do one more, where we have x is equal to 143, and y is equal to the square root of x plus 1. And the difference between this one and the one right before this is the square root symbol goes all the way over that plus 1. Before it didn't, it was just over the x, so this does make it a little different. But you still do the same process. Wherever you see an x, you're going to put whatever it's telling you x is, which is 143. And bring down anything that you're not going to use or you didn't use before. So the only thing that changes is the x. Now you do what's inside the square root first. So you add the 143 and the 1. You get 144. And then the square root of 144 is 12. And that's it. So hopefully this helped. Let me know if you have any other questions, okay?